everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu and the Crew. I'm Rebecca, and today we usually do a craft video, but today I have a bonus video. I decided to go see what was new over at Dollar General and found quite a few nice things. So I wanted to show you guys what I found. So I decided to just make a shop with me video. So let's go shopping and see what's new over at the Dollar General. So I divided everything up by price. They have the dollar section, which is this tin magnet. It says clean or dirty for like the dishwasher or the washing machine. They have them in yellow and in gray. Also these tin plaques, you get these for $1. They have the welcome, the market, and the laundry sign. I love the laundry. It really has like a farmhouse feel to it with the colors that they chose. And then there are these really nice basket bin tags with the tassels and beads on the ends. You can hang these on your baskets. Some plaques. This one says trust your ability to grow. They also had one that says welcome. These are like tabletop type signs. We've got this decoration that says our happy place and let's stay home in the purple and gray. We also have this one that says let's stay home, which is a little bit different colors and a different style. And then we have this one that says all are welcome here. I also found this little plaque here that says stay a while. They have the wash and dry for the laundry room, and you can see they're about an inch thick. They're a nice thick plaque. We have the orange and white that says bless this home, home sweet home, and then some large tags with initials on them, and those are all wood also. We have this tabletop sign that says bless this home with the beads and tassel at the top and the ready set staycation. We also have this one that says staycation house. And then these are plastic trays that say keys. We also have one that says stuff. And then this one, it's like a light blue with white. And it says change to put your spare change on. And then that mint green kind of teal color with gray that says phone. We also have some tabletop signs for the outside. We've got fire up the grill, grill and chill. And you can see that these ones are nice because they have the border actually painted as opposed to the raw wood like some of them have. We've also got King of the Grill and Barbecue. Then we have this sign. It's a chalkboard surface and it looks like a grill, so you could write your menu for your barbecue. I really like these barbecue tool hooks. They have a star and a pig, and you can hang your tools from the sides of your grill. These small tumblers, they're like child size. I thought those are really cute. They also have some taller ones in the red, blue, and yellow. These are the glass refrigerator magnets. They have leftovers are for quitters. Eat, drink, love. This one says when life gives you lemons, add salt and tequila. Mom's kitchen, will definitely eat here again. And then this one that says, I only have a kitchen because it came with the house. We have some candles that look like rainbows. They have the solid yellow and blue, and a lot of this yellow, teal, blue, and melon colored dishware. We've got the larger bowls with the high sides. It's kind of like a plate bowl, if that makes sense. They have that in all four colors. They also had some of the double wall party tubs. They have some of the True Living plates. And they have those in all four colors. You get 4 plates for the $1. These extra large trays. They come in all of the colors that we saw for summer. I really like this melon color. It's really pretty. Looks nice with the blue. The yellow is always one of my favorites. It's so cheerful looking. But here's more of those double wall party tumblers. They also have these small little strainers, and they have 2 handles on each side. Those are nice for like rinsing fruits. They have some cups. You get 4 for $1. The serving utensils are like salad melamine utensils, and those are $1 also. Then there's this country lemonade hand soap. I love that they put them in the plastic mason jars. You can also get the lavender hand soap. Then to match with all of those colors, we've got some dish scrubbers for $1. It comes in a 2-pack. You get the stripes and the solid. They also had some really fun fruit like strawberries with the solid pink red color. It kind of looks like a strawberry color. On the back, they had some matching kitchen towels. You could also get them in the lemon theme. We have some small snack containers for $1. The little striped part right there that pops open. So you can get the snack out. It's great for like little kids, for like cereal and things like that, pretzels. And you can see it opens quite wide so they can get their little hands in there. Then they had these $1 dish sponge that look like a flower. I thought those were really cute. They have them in yellow and in the mint green. And then the $2 items. So for the $2 items, I found they had a bunch of these Tooth Fairy pillows. They have the Happy Tooth Fairy Day, and they're 5.5 by 5.5 inches. They have this one that says Dino Tooth Fund. There's like a little pocket on the back. There's also the Dino Tooth Collection. For $3, we have some more tabletop signs. This one says Grow, and it has a test tube planter right in the center. So you can put a flower bud in there. They also had one that said Home with the test tube planter. Some larger framed art like Bring On the Cozy. And then this one that says Hello. It has the metal sign in the middle of the frame with an open back. We have this one. It says Home. I just love these. They say Be Kind with the rope accent through the side and Stay a While. So 2 different colors. This large Choose Love sign with the wood palette look in the back. And then those summer colors we saw earlier, they have these large baskets, which are nice for carrying around like shower caddies or even your cleaning supplies. These are the glass soap pumps that they have. Some lemon salt and pepper shakers, which are really fun for $3. I really like the salt and pepper shakers. We also have some novelty cups. There's one that looks like a strawberry. There's also a lemon. We have the mason jar cups with the flowers on the side and the decorative lids with coordinating straws. Some dinner plates that are glass. They have cherries on them. You get 2 of these extra large cups that say Enjoy Summer Vacation. Comes with coordinating straws. They also have the yellow one. It says It's Summertime. And then this tabletop sign that says Grow. They have these larger hanging signs that say Farm Fresh, Dairy Produce and Dry Goods, and Country Market, Bacon Ham by the pound, smoked at the farm. And my absolute favorite finds were these glass cups that have the fruit on the outside. They look so realistic with the highlights and lowlights on the sides. They look almost 3D the way they pop off the sides of the glass. Absolutely gorgeous. We've also got some bumblebee collections. They have the trivets with the bees and the polka dots. There's also some honeycomb, and you can't forget about the lemons. They also have one of those to match some different canisters that they have. For $4, we have these kitchen bakeware sets. They have them in gray and in pink. It's basically like a grill pan for the oven. And then we have these bead strands for $4 by True Living. You can see they have different colors and geometric beads on the strand with the twine tassels at the bottom. We have some more framed art, just family together. We have it all. And then these gorgeous baskets with the wood bottom. These come in several different sizes. So I'm going to show you all the sizes here with the different price tags. So the smallest one you will get for $4. That's the first price point for the medium. You could get that one for $6 and $8 for the largest one that they sell. So it has the macrame sides and the wood bottom, and you can see the difference in sizes there. These go with the lemon trivets. And then for $5, they are selling these canisters, which go with the bumblebee theme. It has the white, yellow, and black stripes. They have the honeycomb also. And then there are some canisters that are like a farmhouse style with the blue and white. They have the lemon butter dish, also the blueberry. I'm assuming there was a strawberry as well, but I didn't see any. I'm assuming they were sold out already. We have some fun tumblers with the watermelon and the lemons on the sides. We have some soap pumps that look like a lemon. And here's the sides. You can see how realistic these look. They also have the fruit bowl filler. It is 12 pieces of lemon. We have some tablecloths with the blueberries. And I'm assuming there's more of these with all the different fruits that they had out in the glasses, just that they were already sold out. So if you don't see them here, it doesn't mean they don't exist. We have these glass wall tumblers, or I'm sorry, canisters with the wood lids, and then the large bread box, also $5. They have some really pretty lanterns. You can put a candle or an LED lamp inside here. They had this decorative wood box for $5. Here's a view from the side, and some really pretty baskets. So these have a wood base. You can get the basket in pink. Here's a view from the top. They also had them in a dark gray, almost black, and then they did have them in, this one looks gray, but it's more of like a green gray color. They had some metal canisters, lanterns, and some hanging wall shelves for $5. This one has the beads at the top and then the 2 rings that sit on a base where you can put things on that for a hanging wall shelf. Another wall sign that says welcome. I'm sorry, tabletop sign that says welcome. And then for $6, we're back to the kitchen section with the canisters that go with the lemon items. These are $6 because the size is a lot larger. We have the utensil caddy with the wood handle. Also some more of the lanterns that you can put candles in. They have some large vases, which are just absolutely gorgeous. We've also got some mini bottles. These are the stainless steel tumblers. It says it maintains cold for 16 hours and hot for 8. And then for $7, they are selling this sign here that says "So Very Thankful." We also have some candle holders. There's 2 different sizes. One's actually $5. That's the smallest one. And then the larger one is the $7. And then for the $8 price point, they have these Lazy Susans that are glass with the gold trim. This is a candle holder. It's metal. They have some adult slippers. They have a couple different sizes. This is the small. It fits shoe size 5 to 6. They have the smiley faces, the black ones with the flowers on the front, and then the pink with the smiley faces and a checkerboard pattern. And those were in the yellow and white. And they come in small, medium, and large. They also have these large candle holders, which I thought were really pretty, very modern looking. This is a large crock that you can use to put utensils in. And then this is a large canister style. It just says Artistry Designs. We also have some flowers, some different planters. These were $8. They have a couple different color vases with different flowers like peonies and things inside. For $10, there's this gorgeous candle votive that holds 3 candles with the gold metal frame and base that goes all the way around the outside. There's also this decorative planter and some extra large wood palette signs that say "Gather" with the 3D effect. We have some lemon tumblers with the 24 ounce. Comes with the straw, keeps things hot and cold. And these are some baskets that have the rainbow handles, which I thought were so cute. There's 2 sizes of those. There's this extra large bicycle sign for $10. And then for $12, just like the basket we saw, the first one was the first price point. The larger one was $12. For $16, they did have this extra large mirror. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this bonus video. I know it's been a while since we've done a Dollar General video, so I thought that would be really fun to see what was new there. I hope you enjoyed it. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you next time.